and stuff like that, and all her inputting and being, post-it notes is shaped like stars. They had some other ones, but I wanted these. So, all right, everybody, I'm doing an unboxing of my new Freedom Mastery Manifestation Journal. This Law of Attraction. Be the energy you want to attract. The Law of Attraction Journal Planner. And yeah, this is the one that came yesterday on New Year's Eve. So I'm going to unbox it now. See what we got here. Let me sit down here. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Yes, I'm so excited. Shout out to Beauty is her name. She is the one that really inspired us, or me, to get this. It was me and the other women when she shared her other people. When she shared on one of her videos, she shared, oh my God, how she, how to manifest, how she did her manifestation of that beautiful house they got. And so I asked, we always asking, like, what is that? What, she showed us her journal entries and stuff like that, and all her inputting and being, creative with her stuff. Unboxing. Y'all, bear with me here. And I was like, oh, what is that? And it looks so interesting. She said it was the Law of Attraction Journal. And so I went to Amazon, first place I went, and I typed in Law of Attraction Journal 2023, and this is what came up. Well, this is the cover. This is the outside jacket. But this is actually the one. I wanted it in yellow, and I was able to get it in yellow. Y'all forgive me. Bear with me here. I'm trying to hold the camera with one hand and open this up with the other one. Get it out of here. Okay. Come on, baby. Okay, y'all, hold on for a minute. Okay, I'm back. All right. Be the energy you want to attract. I heard that. So this is the journal here. It should be a 2023 because they have, and I really like the color, and I really like the lion. That's the symbol of strength. The Law of Attraction Planner, Life Planner, Productivity. This is the undated version. And it's, it's a journal and planner as well. So I'm going to show y'all some of the stuff inside of it. It says, keep your thoughts positive because your thoughts become your words. Keep your words positive because your words become your behavior. Keep your behavior positive because your behavior becomes your habits. And keep your habits positive because your habits become your values. Keep your values positive because your values become your destiny. Gandhi. That was written by Gandhi. Okay, this is some of the stuff that it has in there. It has different kind of stickers. Thank you. Oh, okay. Thank you for your purchase. Okay, I'll open that up later. Put that off to the side. But these are the stickers. I think it's $295 in there. And, this is so interesting. Like I said, shout out to Renee and Duval of Beauty is her name. How they, got hooked us up on this, you could put in here, make those vision boards and stuff like that. All kinds of very interesting stuff here. Meditative daily. I'm put my first entry in today, which is January 1st, 2023. And yeah, look at this. Law of Attraction Roadmap. Look at this. This is so exciting. I am so excited. So excited. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so happy to look at this. Oh my God. This is awesome. Awesome. Oh, 2023 is my year, honey. I sold in a whole bunch of seeds in 2022. So now 2023, the year of the 7. is my year. I'm so ready, God. Yes, indeed. Stay positive. Stay positive. Okay, this is the journal. You know, you can make journal entries here. They got some calendars, you know, all the way up to 2026 here. Oh, so it's a pull out. Look at this. It's a pull out. It's a pull out. What is this? I love my life. I am so grateful for. My most important life goals. Create your life statement. See, when this kind of, you know, it's undated, so you can start whenever you want to, and you know, you don't have to worry about, you know, every day, because everybody, you know, is not going to actually, in reality, literally put an entry in every day. I mean, unless they really, really set to that goal to do that, you know, and if they're not so busy, they can do it. But my thing is, as much as I can, I'm going to put entries in here and be very creative with my manifestations, you know, because I've seen the results, you know, of people that have used, you know, certain manifestation techniques. And then, you know, then when they share the results of them, you know, manifestations, I mean, that is, you know, and they share it with others and stuff. It's just so, it's, you know, it's really helpful and motivating, very encouraging. Because I'm like, yeah, I already, you know, manifest things, but, you know, this is going to help me manifest even faster, I believe. So, but this is all the stuff that it has in here. So, you know, this is nice. And it also have like a placement thing for your pen and everything. I got my different colorful pen sets so I can be very creative. This is beautiful. This is awesome. Look at this. It's supposed to be another booklet in here to actually help you. What's that? Oh, a free gift. Okay, that's what. Yeah, a free gift. But yeah, but I just wanted to share this with you all and unbox it. And you know, because this is the first day of the year, and I'm gonna, you know, of this Gregorian year anyway. You know, my thing is, I believe that the beginning of the year starts in March or April. When spring springs into everything springs to life, so that's when the new year is actually really start of the next year. But according to the Gregorian calendar, you know, they make January the 1st as the beginning of the new year. So yeah, this is awesome. I love this cover. Hey, little man. Hey. My great grandson Donnie. Donnie. Just woke up. Oh, sweetie. Yeah. Yeah, but I'm so excited. I'm just so darn excited, and I cannot wait to just start. Like I said, my first entry is going to be today. Let me get my pens together. I got them too. You want some water? Okay, y'all. I just wanted to share this with you guys. So, yeah. No, I like this. I love it. I'm gonna have a lot of fun being creative, and I got some posty stickers. My stickers are shaped like stars instead of just, you know. So I wanted to be really creative in my manifestation of my goals and whatnot and everything else. And of course, you know, once it's all said and done, we want to share it with everybody else, like it was shared with me, and it motivated me when they shared, you know, their manifestation techniques and you know, to help out. So, and here's a map of you know, the world map. So for traveling purposes. Oh, there it is. This is what I'm looking for. 8 proven steps to manifesting your dream life. Even though I know how to manifest already, you know, it won't hurt to have something, you know, these tools that really help you manifest even quickly. And this is so beautiful. I love this color. One of my favorite colors is, you know, yellow. And yeah, I think he's thirsty. He wants some water. But yeah, yep. So I'm gonna make sure that I share, you know, Whenever anything that I set my mind to, I know that, you know, like the word says, you know, whatever I set my hand to will prosper. Everything I set my hand to is going to prosper. And it's going to help me bring it into existence even faster. Help me with my meditation, you know, schedule and everything else. So, yeah, now I'll be able. Even though I've had plenty of journals before, but this is the most interesting one because it's very creative. Because they have, you know, they give you tools and things to help you create with the vision boards and be creative in your. You know, your excuse me, your writings and all that other kind of stuff and planning. I'm just I am really, really floored by this. This is so beautiful. But yeah. Okay. All right. What? Okay. Anyway. Miss Professor over there. Okay, can I get that on camera now? What was that? What was that?
You gotta do
okay. I'm doing it already.
You gotta do it right.
So, Dr. Kenton.
You gotta do it right. If you gonna do it.
Oh my God. Anything? Any other words of wisdom, young lady, that you can help?
No, I
okay.
just want you to do it right.
All right, y'all. All right. Okay, that you know.
Cause you can cut the you can cut the video and put what you need to put.
I don't know, you know, about the editing stuff. You know, you talking about edit it?
Yeah, you can put what part you want on the video.
Yeah, I could.
You don't want to put the whole video. Edit your video.
No, I'm gonna do some editing to this one. Yeah, I'm gonna do some editing to it. But still, but I just wanted to share my my beautiful planner, manifestation planner. That's what I'm calling it because it's gonna help me manifest everything that I want. So I did a lot of, like I said, I did a lot of seed sowing in 2020. You know how you know how the word says you reap what you sow. So I've been, you know, I've been sowing a lot of positivity and everything else, and you know my thoughts. I've been trying to, you know, stay as optimistic as I possibly can. So I'm sure I'm gonna reap that harvest that I've been sowing. So you know, God is not gonna be mocked, y'all, because every man and woman gonna reap what they sow. So if you've been sowing something good, like I know I have, shoot, I can't wait. I cannot wait, y'all. And y'all know y'all gonna be the first to know about it. Because I'm gonna be the first to hear about it because I'm definitely gonna share. Like I always do. Whenever God blesses me with anything and I accomplish my, you know, and I manifest what my dreams and stuff, I share it with the world because I want them to benefit from it too. Yes, indeed. But that's that for now. So I'll be back later with more updates. But I just wanted to share this, y'all. Y'all take care. Happy New Year to you. Have the happiest New Year ever in 2023. Hey, if 2022 didn't do it for you, 2023 will. Okay? Love y'all, and I'll talk to y'all soon. And make sure that you don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell. Don't forget, you know, share your comments too, what you think. Let me know what you're thinking and everything. So, but I'll be back with y'all. Y'all be safe and have a good one, okay? Blessings. Love y'all. Okay, here I'm back. Just a little add in. These are the Post-it notes that I got.
The hammer's upstairs.
These are so cute. And I thought they were so unique and different. The Post-it notes are shaped like stars. They had some other ones, but I wanted these. So, you know, they help me, you know, like I said, with my creativity and everything in my imagination and, you know, being very creative and manifesting. So, yeah. All right.